Early adopters of the Google Pixel tablet are raising their concerns over the limited hub mode features that are available on dedicated Nest Hub devices. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. The Pixel tablet does not currently support the functionality of functioning as a home monitoring camera when users are away. Another limitation of the Pixel tablet in hub mode is the requirement to unlock the device for most actions beyond simple voice commands. In contrast, dedicated Nest hubs are designed to function as standalone devices accessible to everyone in the household. This means that users can interact with the device without the need for unlocking it every time. However, with the Pixel tablet, users must go through the extra step of unlocking the device for tasks that go beyond basic voice interactions. Another missing feature that users have lamented is the inability to have multiple voice match users in hub mode. This feature enables personalized experience on Google Assistant enabled devices by recognizing different individual voices. Unfortunately, the Pixel tablet does not currently support this functionality. Audio quality has also been a concern for users of Pixel tablet. The speakers and microphones on the device have found to be inferior to those on the dedicated Nest Hub Mini. This discrepancy results in subpar sound reproduction and voice recognition, impacting the overall user experience. Furthermore, navigating to the home controls on the Pixel tablet in hub mode can be a cumbersome task. Users have expressed frustration with the layout and accessibility of the home control features. It would be more intuitive and user friendly if the Pixel tablet automatically presented users with the controls of the designated room upon entering the home control interface. Another notable limitation of the Pixel tablet in hub mode is the inability to pair the device with default speakers. This means that users who have Chromecast devices and integrated ceiling speakers cannot direct media audio to those speakers by default. Instead, they must explicitly specify the desired speakers in their voice commands. This seemingly trivial limitation can be perceived as awkward and disrupt the seamless experience. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.